children, again I am with a new discovery activity. Children, every time we prepare activity which is based on our science concept, which is from textbook. But this time we'll be preparing an activity which will bring fun to you. Okay? And this activity you can use for playing again and again. Definitely there will be science concept. We'll learn something which is scientific, but it will be fun also. So are you ready for this activity, children? For preparing this activity, the materials required are 4 rough papers. See, these are the rough papers. But if you want to make that craft attractive, then you can use different color papers also. Okay, and this size color paper, chart papers are available in the market. Then we require a rubber band, medium size rubber band, then a pencil, a scissor, sellotape and Fevicol. Okay. The process for the activity is, first you have to take the pencil in your hand and roll one paper around it in this way, children. Okay. So it will be a proper roll, round shaped cylinder it will be. So for that we are taking pencil, which you can take out afterwards. Okay. So like that one roll is ready. To keep it as a roll or cylinder, you have to stick the last part of it with the Fevicol. So Fevicol is used to make the roll. Okay, so this is your first roll. See children, I have made like this a colorful roll also, and if you use colorful paper it will be like this. Okay, so these type of rolls you have to make 2 in quantity. Okay, like I have made 2 rolls of this same size. Okay, then after you have to make third roll. So this roll you will be using for making the roll which you are making third one. Okay, and why it is so? Because we want that roll bigger in size. So that roll you will use as a pencil and then prepare. So children, for the third roll we have to take one of the previous 2 rolls to roll it. Okay, because this one is bigger one. Okay, children, see that this is the bigger one roll I made and 2 rolls are of similar size. So we are using one of these 2 previous roll to roll third one. Okay, so then after we can take that roll from it out. So previous roll is out of it, and this will stick to make it cylinder, intact cylinder. Okay, we are applying Fevicol on its side, so it will be intact. Children, next step is whatever 2 rolls we have made, 2 cylinders we have made, out of that one we have to cut into small pieces like this. This I kept to show you that this was that roll, and this type of small pieces we have to cut out of that roll. Second roll we have to attach a rubber band to it in this way. See, this rubber band is attached in this way. The one corner of this cylinder should be covered with the rubber band, and then after you attach it with the sellotape. Okay, this is your another cylinder. Now this cylinder you have to put inside this bigger cylinder. Okay, this is the third one. Why I told that we have to roll this cylinder on this cylinder? Because we need to put this cylinder inside this bigger one. Okay, in this way. Okay children, and as we are able to see this rubber band, we can roll a paper on it and stick like this. Okay, so we will not be able to see that rubber band with the help of Fevicol. We will just apply some Fevicol on it, and then it will be covered with this strip of paper. Okay, this is there. Now we have prepared a handle also. This handle will go here. Okay, This handle will be here in this way, and with the help of sellotape we'll stick it properly so that we'll be able to hold it in our hand. In this way. Okay children, so this is the next step for preparing it. To make it more attractive, a small piece of this big cylinder I have cut already, and that I am sticking on this handle. So it will look little bit attractive and it will help us to hold this in our hand. And the rubber band which is attached to this inner cylinder, that will be tucked in the handle in this way. And now the time come to play. See, whatever small pieces we have made, no children, that we have to put in this hole from this side. Okay, and then the cylinder which is inside, we have to just stretch it back side, and then after we have to just move it ahead. See how it is going? Have you got little idea what is it? It is nothing but the gun. See, the bullets are getting launched through this hole. So children, while playing, just you pull this inner cylinder back side, and then after put the bullet inside that small piece, and then just push it. Then this bullet or the small piece of the cylinder will be launched. Is it interesting children? So the time to understand the concept children, as we have made a toy for the fun, but still there is something to learn about. So if you have seen, we have attached a rubber band to it, and when we stretch the rubber band along with the pulling of the cylinder which is inside it, what happens? We restore the potential energy. And when we put inside the this hole another small piece of the cylinder which is nothing but the bullet, and when we push it, what happens? This potential energy gives energy to the small cylinder, small piece of cylinder, and it gets converted to kinetic energy, and thus that piece is getting launched. So potential energy and kinetic energy, these two concepts are there behind it. But along with that, you can see this stretching of rubber band is also responsible for potential energy to restore in it. And rubber band is one of the example of elastic energy also. So it shows, as it shows elasticity. So in this way, elastic energy, potential energy, and the kinetic energy, these three concepts we can learn with the help of this power gun. I hope you like this activity and you will enjoy by making it. Okay children, thank you.